Welcome to this session on utilities, handy tools for configuring the software for your shop and batching processes to save time. A consignment agreement is built in and can be edited by clicking on Utilities. Then edit Consignor Agreement. Note that the agreement for buy outright or resale can also be edited. The procedure will be similar to those illustrated in this tutorial. This is a very simple text editor. It will be necessary to use line breaks at the end of sentences to prevent any line from being more than 120 characters long. For reference, the line beginning with B, furniture, is 114 characters. The first 5 lines are instructions and must be removed. Edit wording in the agreement. Click Save these changes to save changes and continue working. Click Discard Changes and Exit to exit without saving changes, or click Save and Exit to save changes and exit. Please note also that there can be no more than 35 lines, so the agreement will fit on one sheet of paper. The agreement can be printed when creating a new consignor or seller record. The agreement can also be printed by selecting a record, then clicking on Print Agreement. It can also be printed by right-clicking on a record and choosing Agreement 1 or Agreement By. Agreement 2 is an addendum that is rarely used. The program includes several shortcuts designed to save time. For example, the percentage tool can be used to change the consignor percentage for one consignor or all consignors, for unsold items and sold items that have not been settled. Enter the correct percentage in decimal format, then select one or more of the options shown here. The inventory work area has a list of batch functions for buy outright, delete, edit buy outright, and enter. The settlements menu includes aged batch settle for settlement of items sold more than 30 days ago, and batch settle for items sold recently. The consignor's work area menu has links similar to those in inventory, with an additional batch process of deactivating records of consignors who are inactive. Another useful tool is the import and export of data in and out of the program. Data entered in spreadsheets for buyers, people who shop at the store, consignors, and inventory can be imported. Data in BCSS for buyers, checks, consignors, inventory, and sales can be exported from BCSS to be used in other programs like Microsoft Word and Excel. Note that data can be exported for use in QuickBooks. BCSS Virtual is directly integrated with QuickBooks, making export and import unnecessary. There are 2 free ways of backing up your store's data. This must be done daily. First, back up data locally, meaning on an external storage device connected to the computer like a flash drive, or back up data online, or use the Send Data button to do the same thing. Data can be restored using the Restore Database function. It is imperative that at least one person take responsibility for backing up data daily. That person should read the sections in the User's Guide under Administration for Data Management. The virtual edition of the program has online features which allow consigners to add inventory and view their account information online. Change User is used in Diamond and Virtual to require multiple users to log in and make entries under their own identities. There are several links under Help as well. Activate Price Generation refers to a separate feature that suggests buy and sell prices for buy outright items as they are entered. Many of the links here lead to Windows functions like Calculator, Notepad, and Snipping Tool. Other links point to websites and services like Google Calendar, Remit Payment, and Support Directory. Note the links at the bottom for free help.